Hi, Etsy and YouTube fan. This is Sharon from Kyle's Collection, and we are bringing you today the white sewing machine. That's the brand name, white. As you can see, the sewing machine isn't white. The color of the sewing machine itself is a little pinkish beige dual tone coloring. The machine is in fantastic shape. It works well, and you'll see more details about the machine on our Etsy shop, and that's Kyleskollections.etsy.com. There'll be a link. Wanted to show you in the cabinet that the machine comes with. It doesn't come with a carrying case. It's a very heavy machine. It's made for stationary, staying in the home, doing your arts and crafts from home. Not so much a craft fair or traveling to craft function. It's quite weighty, and it doesn't have a carrying case. It will be shipped with this case, this cut-in stand, and it will be shipped Greyhound. So we will need your telephone number and the Greyhound station nearest you when you order. The case has the built-in plug for the foot pedals at the side, so you'll press that with your knee. So it's a knee pedal. And those plugs have to be plugged into the right outlet in that case. If you invert the motor with the light switch, the machine will continuously run. So if you have that problem, reverse the plug. Okay, first I'll tell you about the case. It is sturdy, it's old, probably as old as the machine, and it's losing some of the veneer on the side. So it can use a little polishing up, maybe a little painting. The inside of the case, as you see, this is the front. It has room for a little storage. You can put some extra bobbins and some extra thread in that section, and that closes back to form the front of the machine. Now let's bring the machine down. See how that sits, and then you have your a little more room to cut and for your fabric to flow along. And this is the back of the machine, but you'll see more pictures at our Etsy site. And of course that folds down completely into the case, and then that folds over. So again, this is the white, brand name white, vintage sewing machine. It does work. It's quite heavy. We will need to ship it Greyhound, or if you prefer, you can arrange your own shipping. Just email me and let me know. Now we are running a special. This is for my YouTubers only, because you would need to use the code. We're offering a sale on all of our sites, all of our Etsy sites. This code will work, and it's a 25% discount on anything in our stores, in our Etsy shop. Use the code YouTube25. Again, YouTube 25, you'll see that on your screen, and that will give you a 25% discount off of any items in our Etsy shop. Thanks for looking. If you have any questions, email me through the Etsy shop. I do not always get the notifications from the YouTube channels. So again, if you have any questions, log on to any of my Etsy shops and you can email me through there, and I will get back to you. So again, to get 25% off of this sewing machine or anything else in our Etsy shop, use the code YouTube25. Thanks for looking.